The acceleration due to gravity on the planet A is 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on the planet B. A man jumps to a height of 2 meter on the surface of A. What is the height of jump by the same person on the planet B? So we can find out what is the relation between height and acceleration due to gravity. That is, if an object is projected with a velocity v from the surface of a planet, so the maximum height reached by this person, let's say that is equal to h, or if he jump with a velocity v, then the maximum height reached by this one, let's say that is equal to h. The relation for h is equal to v square divided by 2g. So you might have studied the same relation in motion under gravity, so we are using the same term over here. So we can say that this h is inversely proportional to the value of this gravity. So by using this relation we can find out. So in question it is given that the acceleration due to gravity on a planet A, so if you are considering planet A, is 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on planet B. So in planet A, if you are taking it as it is like 9g, then on planet B it is nothing but g. A man jumps to a height of 2 meter on the surface of A. So h over here it is given as nothing but 2. Then what is the height of jump by the same person on planet B? So we can write height is inversely proportional to g. So we can write, as h is inversely proportional to g, we can write h on planet B divided by h on planet A will be equal to acceleration due to gravity on planet A divided by acceleration due to gravity on planet B. Acceleration due to gravity on planet A is 9g and that of planet B is nothing but g. So HA by HB is nothing but 9, and the value of HA is given as nothing but 2. So we can write it as 2 into 9, or we can write that is equal to nothing but 18 meter.